Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with safety and immediate action. Park the car on level ground, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Put on gloves and safety glasses because battery acid and sparks can injure you. Open the hood and locate the battery, noting the negative and positive plus terminals. First, loosen the negative terminal clamp to prevent short circuits. This reduces the risk of sparks when you later work on the positive side. Once done, remove the positive terminal next and loosen the hold-down clamp. Now you remove and replace the battery. Unfasten any remaining brackets and lift the battery straight out using both hands or a lifting strap because it's heavy. Before installing the new unit, clean terminal clamps and the tray with a baking soda and water solution to neutralize acid, then scrub corrosion with a wire brush and dry thoroughly. Position the new battery so the plus and minus terminals match the cable ends. Secure the hold-down clamp snugly. Do not over-tighten. Then connect. To finish, make sure all connections are tight and clean. A loose clamp causes voltage drops and intermittent issues. Once the battery is secured and cables hooked up, positive first, negative last, start the engine to confirm normal cranking and that dash lights reset. Check electrical accessories like radio presets, windows, and headlights to ensure systems return to normal. If the car won't start or warning lights persist, turn off and recheck cable torque and fuses. If still unresolved, you may need starter or alternator testing as the next diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.